Okay, we have a gas dryer, Kenmore LED gas dryer. How you see this dryer? What happened with this one is not drying the clothes. It's just spinning but without drying. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Okay, so what you need is this multimeter. Okay, you might need a knife just in case, and you will need one of that like these tools if you have one, so you can remove the screws. Okay, and that's it. It's going to be something easy and quick. Alrighty, so the first thing we're going to do here, if this is not drying, what you can do is we're going to do a visual test first. So you're going to have to see if the gas is open, obviously. And next step is you're going to see, like, from here, if you go down here, most of the dryers, they have a little cover here. Look, see, you can open it, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it on. All right, I'm gonna put this thing on. All right, and we're gonna start check if it's spinning. Okay, yeah, okay. Check if this is spinning, but it was spinning, right? But you gotta let it be like for like 2 minutes at least to see if there's any heat inside. If it's not heat, that means it's not firing. Okay, then next you're gonna put it on. You're gonna put star and then come down here to the little hole and take a look, take a peek from here to see if the igniter is lighting up. Okay, there's nothing there. As far as I see, there is no light on the igniter, so that means the igniter is not responding. Okay, first thing first, what you're going to do here, you're going to put this on the side, and here, if you come with a spatula or something, just get here and press here. You gotta find some sort of like a spatula, you see? It just popped off one side. And now we're gonna come here on this side and just try to pop this side too. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Sorry, because I'm trying to make the video, and this side, and this is going to lift up. Okay, so basically you need to lift this area. See, it just popped easily with the spatula or something like that. You're going to do like this, lift this up, and just pull the dryer so you can have more space, so you don't have to damage any part of this area. Now, first things first, you're gonna have to unplug the dryer. Okay, let's see, let's put it back. We're gonna unplug the dryer. It's unplugged, so there's no power, so you don't have to do any damage of the parts or something like that. Okay, now what you're gonna do here, you are going to unplug this. This is the door sensor, I think. Okay, this one here. So we unplug this one here, and what we have to do is we have to remove this little pin right here. I mean this screw here and this screw here. Okay, let's see. Then I have this one here. Okay. Save the screws always, okay? It's one screw on each side. Nice, okay? So like I said, try to save it. Save the screw, or you can just leave it in there, same spot. But let's see now. See how this one pops off? So now what you have to do is just lift to the top. Up one side, up the second side, okay? And that's it. So what you're gonna do here now, just close, okay? And put it on the side. Put it on the side, right? So now, let's see. We're going to see what happens here, okay? So, let's see. Here on the left side, it's the igniter. Let me see. Okay. If you can see here, we have the igniter in the back, and we have the bulb in here. Okay. And first thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna check if the igniter is working. If the igniter is fine, if not, then we have to replace it. Okay. So here's a plug for the igniter. If you can see here, look. Yeah, okay. You can see this plug, so what we have to do is unplug this one and we're going to test it. To make these things easy, also we're going to remove this two screws here that are on the side, like this one here. Okay. And this one here. this. And this is the belt. So we're just gonna push, slide the belt to the one side. Here, try to keep him in place. Okay. And what I'll do is, look, I'll put it right here. Okay, so you don't lose the tension. And we'll remove this strap. You can put it like that or to the front. Okay. So we remove this thing. Now we're gonna see what happens here, okay? Because it can be something easy or it can be hard. But look, first thing first, we're gonna remove this thing here. Now this is the igniter. I wanna check what's going on with the igniter. Okay, this is the igniter. Okay, so I'm gonna put this thing on amps, okay? You can check that, the continuity, okay? And we're gonna do this. We're going to check if there's any continuity on this one here. Okay, so igniter is okay. All right, I want to see. So I'm gonna check the igniter right now. Okay. Again, we're gonna check to see what happens here. Okay, so that means the igniter is fine, see? So we go to the second level here, okay? We're gonna go for the second one, and that'll be the thermal fuse right here, okay? See this thermal fuse? We're going to do easily, nice and easy. We're gonna unplug this thing. Like I said, make sure all the main power is off. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to check the continuity on this one. Okay, so you can see it. Put away this thing. You put one here. And another here. Oh, bingo. So see, it has no continuity here. Okay, so that means this is not good. Same thing with this thermal. I'm going to give you a little example of what's the reaction in here. Hmm? So as you see, we remove the fuse. And what we're gonna do is, let's say you don't have a fuse tester here. You can do something like this. Look, you can go to the plug where you remove the door. Okay, you're gonna do the bypass here. Do this on your own risk, okay? So my idea is just to give you an idea and to help what to do. Make sure it's unplugged, okay? So this is the door plug sensor. So this sense if the door is open or not, right? So okay, it's kind of difficult for me to put to make the video plus put these things on, okay? So look, you just put it here like this. You just bypass it, okay? So that means you don't need to have that door open. Now you're gonna do something different here. Okay, you know where the fuse is. Okay, so we're gonna bypass it here too. Like I said, make sure you have all the plugs. Okay, you put it like this. Okay, and you put another one like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do like a pointy one. Okay, see, you just cut on an angle. And now you put this piece here. Okay, and you put this one here. Okay, make sure nothing is touching. Okay, make sure that we plug this thing here, the igniter, okay? Okay, make sure you plug all the way in. Okay, it's plugged in. And now we're gonna have to come here to the start, and I'm gonna press start and you'll see what happens. Make sure you pull the belt to the top so you can give some tension, because if you don't give the tension, the sensor is not gonna. So look. Now I want to see this plug. Look. Pressure go. Okay, so now we know that this fuse is bad. Okay, so this is called the thermal fuse. I'm gonna unplug it first. Okay, make sure you unplug so you can make sure you unplug so you can work nicely. Okay, okay, so now we know that the fuse is bad, that's all. So I'm going to find the fuse and install it, and that's going to be fine. And you just put it back the same way it was before. Okay, Okay, so the difference, I have the new one now. The difference with this is that this is going to do a reaction here, look. Okay, check this out. The other one was there, right? So we're just going to do this. Okay, so now we're just going to plug it in, plug all the wires back in. Okay, we're going to put the belt back in there. Now the way the belt is supposed to be is like this, look. See these grooves here? This little line that has to be from interior. And this thing has to be like this, look. In here. And these two lines are coming against this wheel, okay? That's a tensioner, pulley tensioner. So you come here, keep it in some place, safety, and we're going to put the drum. That's it for today, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.